Struggling to keep your tools organized? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best garage toolboxes on Amazon that can transform your workspace. From storage capacity to durability, I'll break down what makes each toolbox stand out. And yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's get your garage neat and efficient. Number 1. Overall best pick. Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool. The Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set with 3-drawer VersaStack toolbox, CMMT 45309, is a comprehensive and versatile kit for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. It includes a full range of SAE and metric sockets, combination wrenches, and spark plug sockets, all neatly organized in the stackable 3-drawer toolbox, making access and storage easy. The tools are durable, well-crafted, and comfortable to use, while the toolbox itself is sturdy and portable. One downside is that with so many pieces, it can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners to organize initially. Overall, it's a high-quality, all-in-one mechanics set that offers excellent value for money. Number 2. My second best pick, Gopless Rolling Tool Chest. The Gopless Rolling Tool Chest is a versatile and convenient storage solution for any garage or workshop. With 5 lockable drawers, sliding drawers, and a detachable top, it offers ample space to organize hand tools, power tools, and accessories. The adjustable shelf adds flexibility for larger items, and the rolling design with lockable wheels makes it easy to move around while keeping it stable during use. The bright orange finish is both stylish and easy to spot. One downside is that the chest is somewhat bulky, so it may take up significant floor space in smaller garages. Overall, it's a durable, practical, and well-designed tool storage solution. Number 3. My third best pick, Keter Stack and Roll Modular Tools. The Keter Stack and Roll 4-piece modular tool organizer is a smart and versatile storage solution for garages, workshops, or DIY enthusiasts. Its stackable and rolling design allows for easy mobility and compact storage, while the 4 separate units make it simple to organize small parts, hand tools, and accessories. The durable resin construction ensures long-lasting use, and the modular system lets you customize the setup to your needs. One downside is that the compartments are best suited for smaller items, so larger tools may not fit comfortably. Overall, it's a practical, portable, and well-designed organizer for keeping your workspace tidy. Number 4. My fourth best pick, WEN Garage Glider Rolling Tool. The WEN GG 1350 Garage Glider Rolling Tool Chest Seat is a practical and versatile addition to any workshop or garage. With a 350-pound capacity, it's sturdy enough to sit on while working, and the rolling design allows you to move easily around your workspace. The chest provides ample storage space for hand tools, keeping them organized and within reach. Its padded seat adds comfort during extended projects, making it ideal for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. One downside is that the wheels can be slightly stiff on uneven floors, making mobility less smooth. Overall, it's a durable, convenient, and functional tool chest seat. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Acromills Plastic Drawer Storage Cabinet. The Acromills 26-drawer plastic storage cabinet is a compact and versatile solution for organizing small items in your garage, classroom, workshop, or craft space. With 26 individual drawers, it's perfect for screws, nuts, bolts, beads, Lego pieces, or makeup supplies. The sturdy plastic construction ensures durability, and the clear drawer fronts make it easy to see contents at a glance. Its compact size fits neatly on shelves or countertops. One downside is that the drawers are small, so it's not ideal for larger tools or items. Overall, it's an affordable, practical, and highly organized storage solution for small parts. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite garage toolboxes? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.